Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the cabinet roller assembly in an Amana refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver and a 3/8 socket wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new cabinet roller assembly. There are 4 identical rollers that are used in this model, one in each corner. The rollers allow the fridge to be easily rolled in and out and also adjust the height. If the fridge doesn't roll anymore or there's a loud squeaking sound, it's time to check the cabinet roller assembly and replace it if needed. Let's open both doors. We're going to remove this air grill. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to pry it off. Let's close the fresh food door so we can have an access to the cover. So using a flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to place it into the seam and pop this off on this side. There you go. I'm going to open the door. So I'm going to hold this cover on the right side with one hand, and I'm going to pry it on the top with a flat blade screwdriver. And we can remove it. Let's close the doors. And I'm going to put the wooden blocks here by the side of the fridge. And I'm going to tilt it slowly so we can slide the wooden blocks underneath. To remove this front roller, we need to take out this adjustment screw out. This is a 3/8 of an inch. In my case, it's pretty easy. It moves by hand. But if that would be hard, you can use that 3/8 socket wrench and just take it out. Also, if you're replacing the rear one, you can do the same thing with this one. This is the adjustment screw for the rear roller. So you remove it the same way as you remove this one. Be careful, don't lose this plastic washer. Put it aside. Alright, so we need to slide these hooks out of the cabinet bracket and remove the old cabinet roller. This is the old cabinet roller assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So the adjustment screw goes into this nut in the cabinet roller bracket. So we need to place it in through this opening. It's kind of blind flight, but you'll have to feel how it goes in. So okay, let's place it in. Slides in. Alright, so insert the adjustment screw in. Hold the wheel almost all the way up and screw it in. So it was almost in all the way. So I'm going to leave it like that. And we're going to adjust it after we could put it down on the floor. If we need it, we can adjust it always. Slowly tilt the fridge and remove the wooden blocks. Then I'm going to place it back on the floor. So now we need to open the doors. I'm going to slide on and lock the cover. And we can install the air grill back on. First the bottom clip goes on, then we're going to push the top one Now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.